guys, I'm gonna do a video of this Hampton-based ceiling fan. So yeah, let's take a look at it. So now it's showing cherry blades. On the other side, it's blades. I think it needs to be clean, or maybe not. There's fan blade arms. I love the fan blade arms. And there's the light kit. Pole chains. It says Hunter fan. Now you can see it better. It says Hunter fan. But by the way, these pole chains weren't born with this Hampton Bay fan. It was born with my mom and dad's ceiling fan, and it was a Hunter. In one of my sister's room. Sorry, that's my mom's cell phone. So, okay, let's try. So, okay, and there's the Hampton Bay logo. That's how I know it's a Hampton Bay now. So, now let's gonna do it. And my dad fixed it, so let's start with the light. Let's see, it says Hunter on it. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna show, starting with low. Pretty cool fan. Okay, starting with medium. Huh? This is really weird. Medium and low are the same. Now let's start with high. Okay. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video of this Hampton Bay fan. Like and subscribe on YouTube. So hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. And goodbye. And please help me get to like a lot of subscribers. I'm at like 20. I'm like at 28. Right now I'm at 28 subscribers right now. So please help me and get me a lot of likes too. So can you please help me? So, and goodbye. Stay tuned for more videos to come.